Hello viewers, welcome to my channel TechPech. I am Biplab. In this video, I will show you if your taskbar not hiding in full screen mode on Windows 10, then follow this tutorial. First come to the Windows taskbar and type here Task Manager. Click on Task Manager. Here you need to find Windows Explorer. Select Windows Explorer, then click Restart. Now your taskbar will hide in full screen mode. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, write a comment, and if you want to get more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon.